Hello everyone! Today we're making custard pudding, which is a very popular dessert in Japan and it's perfect for the upcoming holiday season. We're going to start with making caramel sauce. We're going to add 100 grams of sugar in 2 to 3 parts. Continue to stir so that sugar doesn't get burned. When it gets really dark and burned, it gets really bitter. Once it gets brown and thicker, we're going to add 40 milliliter of water. Suggest using a strainer to avoid caramel splashing back to you. Move it to another pan and leave it in the fridge to cool it down. Now we'll start making the pudding. Add 100 grams of sugar and 600 milliliter of milk. If you want to make it richer, you can use half milk and half cream. Then we're going to add vanilla beans. Use 2 to 3 centimeters of it and make a cut in the middle as the flavor comes from the seed inside. Heat the pot in low heat and heat it until the pot to steam slightly. Next, we're going to prepare the eggs. We're going to use 12 eggs, and for 6 to 7 of them, we're only going to use the egg yolk. Then stir the egg, but make sure not to make bubbles while you do it. Add the milk mix with the eggs and stir them lightly. Use strainer and move it to a pan that has a caramel in it. Next, put paper towel in a pan and add warm water until it's about 2/3 of the height. Cover the top with oven cover or aluminum foil for the pudding to cook evenly and avoid being overcooked. Heat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. We're going to put it in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. Take it out every 10 to 20 minutes to check up on it. When you take it out, shake the pan and see if the pudding shakes with it. If it does, then it means it's cooked. Put the pan in the fridge to cool it down for 3 hours. Once it's cooled off, use a knife to cut the edge off. This will help to get the pudding off the pan. Alright, custard pudding is ready to be served.